What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what we talk about on this channel is affiliate marketing, making money online, the different side hustles that you can do, but also how to invest your money so that you can get the freedom in your life that you deserve. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you're subscribed, ding that notification bell, and we can get right into the video. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is the laziest way to actually make some money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around until the end, because I've got plenty of good stuff and amazing information that you do not want to miss. So how do you actually make money if you don't have much time, if maybe you have kids, or maybe you just don't want to do that all day, every day, for the rest of your life or anything like that. You want to find something that you don't have to take that much time. So in this video, what I'm going to explain is how you can do that with having 1 to 2 hours per day. That's it. No more than that. You can actually make a full-time income by doing this. This is not going to be an overnight success, however, but if you don't have much time, this is the business that you need. So how do you do that? Because most businesses, you have to work a ton. No matter what you do, if you do Amazon FBA, if you do all these different things, there's going to be so much stuff that you have to talk about, that you have to do. You have to do the customer support, the marketing, the sales, there's at least like 10 different things that you have to do in any business to actually make it work. But when you have 1 to 2 hours a day, that is not sustainable. That's not something that you can do every day, especially if you have a day job or something like that. That is not possible for you. So what you need is something that you can do in your extra hours that deletes most of these things, and that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to focus on something where you don't have to actually create a product for first of all. So how do you find something where you don't have to create a product, that you don't have to deal with customers and none of that stuff? That is by finding a product that already exists, that solves one of your problems or is going to solve one of your problems. For example, maybe you don't have much money, because maybe you're watching this video for that reason. You don't have much money, so you can't start a business that costs a lot of money. You can't spend a ton of time, and you don't have the resources to get some people on the team. So what you're going to have to do is, one, use technology, but also use a product that already exists. So if a product has already solved your issues, that is going to solve your issues. So let's talk about making money online, because that's the reason why you're on this video. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to find a product that is going to solve your problem. So what can that be? That can be a course. For example, the course that's the first link in the description, that is a course that I took myself, and that actually solved my problem. I didn't have much money. I started making some money online by going through this course, and before that I wasn't. So that's something that you have to keep in mind, is that you have to find a product that already exists and that you can promote and make some money by promoting it. Let's say that you went to a really cool restaurant that you really liked, and you were going to recommend it to your friends. That's basically what it is, because your friends are going to actually trust you, hopefully, because they're your friends. So are they going to go to that restaurant when you recommended it? Probably, because they trust you, they like you, hopefully because they're your friends. That's what you want to do on another scale, because if you become some sort of big influencer that talks about a lot of different things, you will need to have a ton of followers to actually make any money. But when you're doing this at a smaller scale, for example, just like recommending it to your friends, but instead you go to a platform online and you recommend things to your friends. For example, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to help people that were just like me, that were in my shoes, and trying to actually make some money online. So what I did is I went through that course, I learned to make money online, I started making money online, and then I promoted that course so that if people are like me, then they can go through the course and actually start making some money. That's all it is. So what you want to do is actually give away as much information as possible on that product so that you can make some money. Now, most products are going to be expensive, but they're also going to make you a lot of money if you actually promote it. For example, the course that I have in the description is only $7, so that's not going to be hard for anybody to actually buy that $7 course, or hopefully it won't be. Yes, you do have to take your wallet out, but that's only $7. So if you go through that course, and again, I'm talking about this example specifically, you start going through that course at $7, you get a ton of great information, no matter if you've never done any sort of marketing before or anything like that, you've never heard about affiliate marketing. You go there, you go through it, and you're able to make some profit like that, and you're able to make some money. That's how I made my first commissions that way. And then if you want to upgrade and, you know, maybe go deeper, go faster, get your results faster, then you can buy something that's a bit more expensive because they have a range of different products. And that's exactly what you have to look for when you're promoting something. It's where you take people from point A and get them to where they want to be. So take them from where they are right now, maybe broke and not making any money, to actually starting to make some money, and hopefully making quite a lot of money, because there are people that go through that and make 6 or 7 figures starting from zero. Are they going to do that within a week? No, obviously not. Nobody is going to make 7 figures in a week, but you can scale and start maybe getting a first lead, a first commission, and things like that. So now that you've got your product, just make sure that it pays you at least $1,000, because when or can pay you $1,000 or more, then you start to make your content around that product. So maybe if it's making money online, explain to people how they can make money online. Now, if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, I wouldn't suggest going to YouTube, because YouTube is going to be it's going to typically take you a long time to grow. Not everybody takes a lot of time to grow, but personally, I know that it takes a lot of time to grow, but also to edit my videos. But if you only have 1 to 2 hours per day, then you don't have that time to actually start making YouTube videos. So instead, you first want to have a sales funnel ready. So a sales funnel is where people enter their emails, then you tell them that you have the result that they're looking for, or you can provide them the result that they can or want to have. And then on the next page, that's where you put your affiliate link. So the affiliate link is the company that provides it to you, so that they can track that you are the person that sent them that customer. So then that customer will hopefully buy, but if they don't, you still send them some automated emails, basically addressing the issues that they might have before actually going through to that purchase. Give them the opportunity to buy in those emails, but also the opportunity to contact you if they want to ask you any questions that they might have. And the people that do ask you the questions are going to be typically the people that are going to buy the most. Not everybody is, but a few will. And some people will never send you emails and just go through your link and buy. That happens as well. So now that you've got, and by the way, if you want to learn how to build your sales funnel, I have a link to Builderall. It's in the description somewhere. So click on Builderall, and that's just a drag and drop system to get that sales funnel built. You can copy mine if you go through it. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to. So now you've got your product ready, you've got your sales funnel ready. Now you need to get some traffic. And how do you get some traffic? Well, we get traffic from social media, because we don't want to spend a ton of money on ads, even if we don't even know what the product or how the product is going to sell. By the way, if you think that a product is oversaturated, that probably means that it sells really well. So don't worry about saturation. Saturation is a myth. It's actually a really good thing. So just go on social media and find what people are promoting. Anyways, back to the video. And by the way, the first one is pretty oversaturated as well and does really well. So then you want to go to social media, but not any social media. What you want to do is go specifically to TikTok. Now, TikTok is the fastest way to grow. I've seen, tremendous people have tremendous success. I've had my first sales on TikTok, and it's just the best way to do it. I still do TikTok, and I will continue to do TikTok for a long time, as long as it doesn't die out. So what you do with that is you just basically find some trends, do the trends, but also give some value, get people to understand what their problem is. So if they want to make money, just point them out. Are you wanting to make money? Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job? Are you not getting paid enough? Do you hate your boss? Do you hate your job? Anything like that. Those are good hooks that can get people to stop from scrolling and actually listen to what you have to say, so you can talk to them just like I'm doing now on YouTube. You can point to different things just like I'm doing on most of my TikToks, and you should probably be doing. Use some trending sounds, and that's going to get you to 1,000 followers, and then you can post your link. Don't try and take a shortcut by doing a business account or anything like that. It won't work. It will just slow your growth down. So instead, just post on TikTok and just vary, do different content, find out what's working best. And the videos that typically don't make that much or don't get that many views, some of them will actually get people to know you a bit more and actually maybe buy if they decide that they trust you and that they want to buy from you. So that's how you can make $100 a day, $200 a day, unlimited amounts of money per day, if just online without using much money. There's literally very little money that you have to spend. That's the cheapest way to do that, and that is the way that you only need 1 to 2 hours a day to actually get this. So on TikTok, I would tell people to make 5 videos per day at least, or at the beginning. Now I only do 4, but at least do quite a few videos. Just do as many as you can without, dropping down the value, and being consistent with that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, ding that notification bell, and let me know in the comments what was your aha moment in this video, so that I can give you more value. And just share this video with as many people as possible so that I can help as many people as possible. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.